ubu tugiye gutangira Beyonce igice cya kabiri guys, making sure ko mukoze subscribe kugira tujye tubana buri munsi.
Turatangiye Franka Rajaka n'amazina turatangiye Beyonce Patu umukobwa wa perezida turatangiye dutangiranye hakuno kwa muganga. Ibi ni icyo ariko Vanny Vika akarimo cyane turatangiye.
You're Ciara's younger sister, right?
Madra Kubukari akarimo cyane.
That was very bold.
Jackie Ajmanga akarimo cyane n'amazina.
I want you to be a witness of this.
Karusumu Sinari n'amazina turatangiye.
Shit.
Hakimu Shara akarimo cyane turacyakomeza.
I want you, Ciara. I want you.
Yvonne Okoro n'umukinnyi turatangiye.
Lloyd. You should know that the worst.
Eko Freemani akarimo cyane ibyo byaravuzwe singwama bisubiremo.
You think
Nicolette Sanori akarimo cyane turatangiye ni benshi baracyaza.
did this to me?
Zigane Tesoni akarimo cyane n'amazina aragoranye turatangiye.
Put me through.
Abdusalamo akarimo cyane turatangiye garacyaza amazina garacyaza.
Forgive you.
Franka Arase akarimo cyane turakomeje n'amazina.
It's against you. Enough. I forgive you.
Tunde Adekona akarimo cyane karacyakomeza ibivugwa twarabyumvishize.
A little lesson.
Mi okay akarimo cyane n'amazina turatangiye tunakomeza.
So you know what? I would still make you that offer.
Tunde Adekoya n'amazina karacyakomeza.
With your offer. Oh! You again.
Solomoni oh
What can a poor offer like me do?
kurikira
Not make case with you.
Rebecca
Also,
akarimo cyane n'amazina.
but I want
Samira Yakubo n'umukinnyi abo bose uraza kuba babonamo.
I pity you. I'm
Roger Kate abo bose ndaza kuba nabakwerekamo karacyakomeza.
I'm
Austin yagushyiramo umuziki karacyakomeza.
send you to another clinic. Spend millions of money.
Ali Samba n'amazina karacyakomeza.
Looks. Different face and different identity.
Abdul Salama
And everyone else
n'umuhimbyi w'agafilimi.
would be dead and buried.
Afu Ramare akarimo cyane.
I will know the little secret. Any leakage of that secret
Abdul Salama nanone akagarutsemo. Umukobwa Beyonce yaraje gusura ndetse uriya mukobwa wundi. Uyu mukobwa arimo aramushinza Beyonce ati niho byaturutseho. Birariraye katurore dore isura y'ukuntu yabaye. Dore isura ukuntu yabaye birabaje. Agafilimi karacyakomeza. Beyonce ubika ko ari umukobwa wa perezida. Ziara yakundagana nande yakundagana na Raji. Beyonce agakunda Raji. Umukobwa nko bamwijeze agomba bagomba kumwimura ku bindi bitabo. Kuri cyunarebe yagombaga kwimurwa bamujyanye mu bindi bitaro. Umukobwa Beyonce yabwiye Ziara ibyerekenywe n'amafaranga araza kuba yayamutangira. Bagereza kuba bagasura ye barakoreka hakuno Raji. Beyonce raje.
Good morning.
Umunsi mwiza Beyonce ameze ate?
How's he doing?
Ameze ate kuri kitondo?
Splendid. He's getting better.
Ndabona ndetse aragenda yoroherwa afite abarinzi. Dore igikobwa cya Beyonce kirimo mu nsherami. Yamuhaye agasomyo. Ziara turapfuye ibi niku yatangiye guhamagara Ziara Imana yanjye umva ukuntu kimbabaza umva ukuntu kirimo kirambabaza aho kugira ngo ugihamagare Beyonce kigahamagara ngo Ziara.
Beyonce.
Ni Beyonce uri hano turapfuye.
I'm sorry, Beyonce.
Umbabare Beyonce.
It's okay.
Bimeze sawa? Mushiki
Mother told me everything.
Mama byose yabimbwiye.
She told me how much you're spending to make sure I get the best of treatment.
amafaranga hano bansabye yose ngo niwo yishuye mama byose yabimbyiye
I really appreciate it.
ndagushima kubyo wakoze
My pleasure.
nibyo Ho! Go! Dore umusore
I love you, Raj.
ndagukunda Raj
Excuse me.
mumbabare mo gato Rakabas Beyonce anashimama dede agenda dede afite abarinzi bamurinda agafilimi karacyakomeza Eva
Where is Ciara?
Ziara
She's been transferred to another clinic for better treatment.
aracyavurwa
I'm sure Mom is.
Hello. How are you doing today?
umese mwana wanjye
Fine.
mesawa
Ciara?
Ziara ngo yari kumwe n'uyu nyina wa Raj aramubaza Ziara nyina mama
How is Ciara?
Ziara ariye sinzi
Mother,
mama
don't tell me Ciara is dead.
numbwiye ngo Ziara yapfuye
Eva. Is Ciara dead?
niki
We lost Raj.
twamuhombye Raj turapfuye bamu
Sorry.
umbabarire twamuhombye Ya, sinzi
She's dead.
yapfuye kuri kiri unarebe Ziara yipfiriye yacitse intege Raj yakundaga Ziara ngo Ziara yapfuye barakwereka kwa muganga wibuka Ziara bamujyanye ku bindi bitaro bamaze kubyira ngo Raj yapfuye turabona murumuna wa Ziara adwajije umurwayi ari we Ziara Raj bamaze kumubyira ko yapfuye bajyanze kurikiraga filimi iratangiye kwa muganga niho turi Abi Ramaga murumuna we aramuhamagara Abi we
Yes, Auntie, I'm here.
yego anti ndi hano
Are you okay?
umesawa
Yes, Auntie, I'm just waiting for you to wake up so that I can go home.
mu byukuri anti ntago ndarya nagira ngo ngende
Auntie, you won't believe since yesterday I haven't eaten anything.
kuva ejo hashize nta na kimwe ndatamika mu nda
I want to go and see if I
ndashaka kuba gushaka gutaha kujya kurya
everything will be fine, okay? Everything will be alright.
uraza kumererwa sawa
Make sure you don't disclose this matter to anybody.
ugomba kwitondera buri umwe wese
I just want to get this over and done.
ntugapfe kwizera buri umwe wese
My life was fresh.
urabibona nutitonde ibigeze ku buzima bwanjye wabibonye
Now everybody believes that you are dead.
ntabwo ushobora kubyizera ko bagupfirishije buno
House yesterday.
ejo hashize
Took me to the cemetery. Auntie, you won't believe this. They showed me a tomb. That in case if Raj comes to the house, I should take him there and show them where you were.
nyina wa Raj na Beyonce nibo bakwimurira hakuno babuza yuko ko mbivuge ko wapfuye
And I will be killed.
uza wese kumbaza mumenyesho yuko ko wapfuye Ziara mumbabarire kandi nimvuga kuri ndapfa yatangiye kurira Ziara bamupfishize umuntu akiri muzima yebaba we kuri cyunare gupfisha umuntu akiri muzima nge no turakomeje yatangiye kurira Ziara ngo bamubyiye uriya mukobwa ariwe murumuna we avuge ko yapfuye nibwo Raj yaza kumubaza azabyera Raj ko yapfuye dore Raj kwa muganga
House 5 good times.
inshuro 5
But I can't find Debbie.
ngiye wabo wa Debbie nkamubura
Told she left home 2 weeks ago.
hashize abone ibyumweru 2
Yet still I've been trying the mobile number.
ngerageza kujya wabo wa Betty ni murumuna wa Ziara Betty yarabuze
I wonder what she's going through right now.
ubu se umuntu aramushakira he?
It's okay, Raj.
Mesa wa Raj.
It's okay.
Mesa wa.
She died because of me.
Yapfuye ku bwanjye. Yapfuye kubera njyewe. Kurikira unarebe Raj. Marira.
She chose to love me.
Yarankundaga. Marira.
When I was to die,
yapfuye kandi yaranabariye ubuzima bwanjye. Kurikira unarebe bamubwiye ko yapfuye.
I wasn't there for her when she was dying. I wasn't there, mommy. I wasn't there. I wasn't there. I could have.
Ntabwo nari mari apfa, nari gukora ibishoboka byose nkuko yanabariye ubuzima nanjye napfe nagende.
Mother finalized her burial.
Mama wanjye yarari mu gushingura. Yego. Kurikira.
Can you get me my shoes? Let's get out of here.
Nzanire inkweto tuve hakuno.
Raj,
Raj.
you just wait for the doctor. There is no.
Dutegereze doctor. Iyo ntago ari ingingo ndashaka kuba nava hano kwa muganga. Abajije Bobby mama yarari mu gushingura gupfa kwa Harry. Harari.
It's all right. Everybody.
Yo yakitse intege baramubwira ngo yuko ku mukobwa yapfuye nyamara umukobwa aracyari muzima. Bagomba gushaka Betty ariwe murumuna uwo mukobwa Raj yakunanaga nawe. Raj umukobwa wa perezida aramukunda ariko Raj ntabwo akunda umukobwa wa perezida. Biraraye Katirori iratangiye kuzafashemo amayoberane nayo.
Where is the lady in this place?
Turashaka umukobwa ufite umusatsi mwinshi.
Long hair.
Yuko na nywele nyingi niyo tunatafutisha uwo mkobwa. Sijawahi kumuona. Raj ari mu gahinda.
Still far.
Mukobwa yapfuye hagarika kurira. Aramugumya Bobby ahagarike kurira ariko ari nkawe. Umuntu agapfa ukimukunze kibari ikibazo ku mutima wawe. Bagomba kumwija muri taxiva tiri avuye mu bitaro byaho. Avuye hospital anatoka kwa muganga. Tizama sinema. Rakabas barakwereka ibyacu n'ibitinda dore kebo Raji bamubwiye yuko ko Ziyara we yapfuye nyina niwe wabimubwiye nyamara umukobwa aracyari muzima. Uyu Betty baramubwiye nazegera avuga ukuri azaceceke ngo ari ku telefoni aricaye. Debbie we Niki?
Why? Don't cry.
Reka kurira.
Cry, please.
Ndagusabye reka kurira.
I understand, but please don't cry.
Ndagusabye nurira.
I feel so much pain right now.
Ndabizi kubabaye buno.
It's okay. It's okay.
Mesawa. Mai againda.
It's okay.
Mesawa.
I can't bring Sierra back. I can't. No, I'm trying to make things right. I'll take care of you, okay?
Ubwo zaragiye ninjye ugiye kuba nakwitaho inshingano zawe zose ninjye ugiye kuba yazitaho yo. Kurikira.
How are you coping?
Kubera iki telefone yawe itacagamo ikibazo cy'amafaranga.
What happened?
Na amafaranga nifite muri telefoni.
Don't let money be a problem, okay?
Amafaranga siyo kibazo.
Whenever you need something, don't hesitate to pick up the phone.
Ikintu cyose ukeneye telefone umenyeshe.
Your sister so much.
Nakundaga mukuru wawe neza cyane.
The least I can do is to take care of you, whatever you need.
Ubu ninjye ugomba kukwitaho buri kimwe cyose ukeneye Betty. Nakundaga mukuru wawe. Kurikira unarebe.
Auntie Raj loves you.
Raj aragukunda.
Since he really cares about you. I took him to the grave yesterday.
Namutwaye ejo hashize ku gituro cyawe.
Raj promised the grave.
Yarariyo. Ku gituro cyawe.
Cried like a baby.
Yarize nk'umwana.
I couldn't even stand his tears. and at the end gave me 5 million for my welfare and
yamaye amafaranga miliyoni 5 zigomba kumfasha ibibazo byanjye. Namutwaye ku gituro cyawe yatangiye kurira nk'umwana. Raj aracyagukunda.
I care about you.
Yabibyiraga Ziara baramupfishize yatangiye kurira. Agafilimi karacyakomeza. Beyonce iki ni cyo cyakabiri. Agafilimi na Nigeria nukikwe. Reka kurira mesawa. Ye baba we. Ziara yatangiye kuri ibyo bintu byose bamumenyesha. Bamujyanye ngo ku gituro turapfuye biniko ariko. Barakwereka Raj, barakwereka Bobby yarasotse.
What's up, Raj?
Raj,
Why you packed outside?
kuba ari cyuri hano hanze.
What's up with that, man? Why you packed here instead of coming in? So what seemed to be the problem, man?
Usanga ufite ikibazo mwana. Yego.
What's the problem, man? I don't get it.
Nicyo kibazo mbwira.
Just can't get out of my head. I just can't get out of my head.
Sinzi ibyo nikore mu mutwe hanjye. Ho.
You are getting me red, man.
Umva.
You are getting me red. See?
Urabona?
Ciara is dead, buried and gone.
Ziara yarapfuye.
Forgotten.
Gikuremo.
No amount of fears can bring her back to life.
Ugomba kugarura ubundi buzima bwawe bushyashya. Ziara yarapfuye mwikuremo.
You can love again, man.
Ugomba gukunda undi.
Lonely? Why do I feel so lonely?
Na undi nyene kumara igihe kirekire atari Ziara.
It's been 6 months. 6.
Hashize amezi atandatu mu by'ukuri. 6 months. Hashize amezi atandatu.
Every girl I see.
Nana kimwe nyeneye.
I can't love again, man. I just can't.
Na undi ntabwo nshobora gukunda uriya Beyonce.
Not the absence of affection, man.
Urabona mugabo Beyonce mwana mu kigero kimwe wakunda Beyonce. Ziara yarapfuye ukamwibagiza. Uyu nibyo agerageza kuba yamukuramo Bobby.
You can love Beyonce, for God's sake.
Ugomba gukunda mwana Beyonce mwana.
You can love again.
Cyangwa ugakunda undi mukobwa.
You can love again. You can do it.
Bikore.
Okay? Come on.
Gira. Raj yacitse intege za Ziara. Ziara ngo yarapfuye nyamara Ziara aracyari muzima. Aracyari kuri dunia Mungu. Inkuru wabanje kuyimubyira bwa mbere ni nyina wa Raj amubwira ngo twamuhombye. Ziara yapfuye. Kuri cyo narebe. Barakwereka amezi yakomeje kugenda yicuma tugaruka hakuno kwa muganga. Wibuke Ziara mu maso he hagezeho problemi. Batangiye kumupfukura mu maso he kuri kintu narebi. Amezi ashize atandatu. Amezi atandatu. Tizama sinema kuza amekamatamo amayoberani nayo. Bas. Rakabas. Murumuna we Betty ari ku ruhande. Betty nugomba guhisha kuri nazagira ngo abibwira Raj ngo nazabibwira Raj niko gupfa kwi. Beyonce niko yamubwiye kuri cyo narebe. Ese sura ye iragaruka bushyashya harimo arasaba Imana imufashe nituzi bagenzi katurore nyamara Raj yakunze Beyonce. Beyonce niwe mutabari ubuzima. Yakunze Ziara niwe mutabari ubuzima. Agafilimi karacyakomeza. Mwene nyina ari ku ruhande yipfutse mu maso. Agafilimi karacyakomeza. Bas. Ho! Katurore dore umukobwa Ziara. Doctel tangiye kumfata mu sura he dore Ziara.
It's beautiful.
Ni mwiza.
It's really beautiful.
Mu byukuri mu maso yawe ni heza kabisa. Felicitation kandi. Rakabas. Yarirebye mu cyo nawe yirebye yo bagenzi. Isura ye ni kwa kundi. Imana ari ukuntu ifasha mu muntu murumuna wari ku ruhande amarira n'agahinda niko kenshi Dr. Rudombo Betty
You have my look.
urambona uti
You look so beautiful.
kabisa uragaragara neza buno yo kurikira unarebe niwe Ziyara rageze ko neza ko yapfuye Betty yabisobanuye Ziyara ngo rageze ko wapfuye kandi nyamara ragera cyagukunda twagiye no ku gituro cyawe ndakimwereka yarize nk'umwana muto yamaye miliyoni 5 zigomba kumfasha ibibazo byanjye byose barakwereka Rakabas ibyacu nibitinda ukamenya ibikankari ukamenya ubiziyemo ukamenya ko ari Beyonce imbere n'inyuma ibikankari biriyo hari inyubako yindi binjiye ahantu ni hanini bas abarinzi nk'uko bazi ariko nibo banza kuvamo bakamupfungurira Rakabas ngo mama nashimama dede ahagaze dede kumbe barakwereka n'uwo musore inde Raji Beyonce harahamuzanye katirore agenda ibyazi agenda ingendo ye hari ahantu bafunguye dura abarinzi bakabyaro kandi barariye baranutse barahumuye Rakabas nihamuzanye katirore Raji nahazi Beyonce arahazi nguwo umukobwa wa president Rakabas ndani kwa ndani dora gacha muzanye mu mama we ibiniku aga filimi karacyakomeza pisine zo kogeramo zirahari swimming pool mu rwogero abarinzi ngabo bagenzi hehe barebera imirebere yabo basi umukobwa arahanazanye uyu musore ariwe Raji niko ndamuzanye katirore ibyishimo bya yose tora barinzi ariko se
Everything here.
buri kimwe cyose kiri hakuno ni cyawe
Like everything?
buri kimwe
You're lying.
Yes.
mbega
I'm not playing.
ntabwo ndi mikino
Like everything is mine?
buri kimwe cyose ni cyanjye
Breathe through it.
buri kimwe cyose kiri hakuno iyi nzu yose ni iyawe
Seriously.
ndi seriye
The house is mine?
buri kimwe mbega umusore bamuguriye inzu buri kimwe cyose kiri aho ni iki
I'm loving this.
yaguye hasi kubera ibyishimo
I love you.
ndagukunda
I just love you.
ndagukunda kuri cyo narebe barakwereka hakuno yaraje gusura Betty murumuna wa Ziyara
How's business?
business minister arabaza Ziyara wundi mukobwa Betty hari umukobwa wundi yicaranye nawe
It's okay, Ria, just go.
That's good.
byiza
You're ready to go to university. You need to find an assistant.
urabizi ngomba gutwara ndetse muri university ukajya ndetse mu kwihugura
So just make sure you find somebody as soon as possible.
Okay, alright.
urabizi inshingano zanjye nizo kukwitaho
Some money so that you can buy yourself some stuff.
hari amafaranga ngomba kuguha ndetse yagufasha Betty ari kumwe n'undi mukobwa uyu ntabwo yamwitayo ngwino nguha amafaranga ayiye basi kuri cyo narebe hari amafaranga agira ngo amuhe arashaka kumutwara muri iyi university ajye kwihugura
Here.
enda
So let me add another one.
kankongera yandi mwana aramuha amafaranga yakundaga mukuru we
Thank you very much.
urakoze
Make sure you buy yourself good stuff.
ugomba kubyitaho
Well. Alright?
ibyo
Okay.
Okay.
Alright then.
Bye-bye.
sawa babaye
Can I get a hug?
uragenda utamobereye ariko yo Betty yahobeye Raji
Alright?
Okay.
uyu bagenzi akarira ari we Ziyara arabona Raji yita kuri murumuna we filime iracyakomeza yasuye mu kebo arerekera bababaye kumbe uyu ni we Ziyara
So I cannot set off to rest.
barakwereka Bobby ari mu karirimbo ke basi
Oh,
wari uraho
Yeah, Bobby.
yego Bobby naende hano
love, man.
I'm here. It's just that every time I hear these songs, love songs,
mu mutwe wanjye harimo indirimbo
Sierra,
indirimbo zirimo ni za Ziara gusa. Wibuke Ziara yari umuhanzi.
Help it. There's a feeling that just keeps coming back. I just can't help it.
Sinzi ndetse ibyiyumviro byanjye niba bizashobora kuba byagaruka.
Since Ciara died,
Kuva Ziara yapfa numva yuko narahindutse.
that love that I have, I know
Igice cyasigayemo igice cye cyansigayemo
I'll love her till I die.
kuva yapfa ariko sinzapfa kumwikoramo.
He just told me.
Umva.
See, it's been 1 year since her death, and you still talk about her with...
Hashize umwaka umwe apfuye kubera iki wabigarura ukabiganiraho ibya Ziara.
Gone and gone forever. Don't you think it's time you...
Byibagize amaherezo yawe byo yose ubyibagize.
Is where the mind is, man.
Ntabwo bishobora kumva mu mutwe hanjye ibya Ziara.
The feeling is not the same. Ciara is the only one,
Urabizi yari uwa mbere muri nge.
the only person who has the key to my heart.
Yari amaze kunya mutima wanjye kuri cyo narebe. Barakwereka kuno Beyonce yasohokanye ndetse na Raji. Barakwereka wa mukobwa ari we Ziara. Basohokanye na Beyonce. Umukobwa atangiye kubahiriza. Wibuke Ziara yari umuhanzi kuri cyo narebe. Umva indirimbo zitujije kabagereho mwinde sida. Uko aririmba akareba Raji akariramo na Raji agahanga uyu mukobwa amaso yari afite umukobwa w'umuhanzi ariwe Ziara. Filimi iracyakomeza irabaje. Uko aririmba niko arira. Raji yamuhanze amaso. Sasa Beyonce akareba Raji yahanze uyu mukobwa amaso ariko umukobwa ukaririmba niko kurira kwe. Filimi iracyakomeza. Beyonce part 2 uyu niyo kuzagafashamo. Abantu baragiye maze kumva indirimbo z'umukobwa ngabo barimo barasohoka muri club. Umukobwa arasotse umuhanzi yasubiye hakuno afite agahinda ke amarira ngo niwe Ziara. Abenshi ne bamumenya. Bobby yaratambutse urakoze mwana. Beyonce bite?
That was an excellent performance.
Mu byukuri turimo twanejeje.
And I just wanted to congratulate you.
Felicitation.
Excellent.
Urakoze.
You hug for that?
Sorry. I don't hug strangers.
It's okay.
Nshobora kujyana. Sinjya njyana n'abantu badasanzwe.
Macy Bill.
I would love to meet you again. You know, your performance
Mu byukuri ndifuza yuko ko tuzongera guhura kuko ijwi ryawe narikunze.
of a friend, the girl that
Nari mfite umuntu w'ishiti yanjye
ever.
waririmbaga nkanjye nkawe.
The way you act, the way you sing,
Yari ndetse nk'umuhanzi kuririmba niko yaririmbaga.
so much like her. Just too much like her.
I'm sorry about that. Who's this girl you're talking?
Yari ndi umukobwa.
Her name is Ciara.
Izina rye yitwaga Ziara. Uyu arabyumva Beyonce.
That was my girlfriend.
Yari inshuti yanjye umukobwa.
I really love her.
Naramukundaga mukunda nawe nkunda.
Get your number, like,
Ushobora kumpa akanomero kawe?
I'm sorry, I can't do that.
Umbabare sinabikora.
Why didn't you give me yours?
Kubera icyo utamizawe.
okay.
Isawa.
I don't have a pen right now.
You just
Na bike mfite vyimbye ndazibuka.
09
08 gatandatu
094466.
09
If for nothing at all, let me just hear your voice.
mu by'ukuri uzantelefone.
I'll call you.
Nzagutelefona ndagusezeranya yego.
So you keep up the performance.
Uzantelefone kumba umukobwa Beyonce arabimusobanurira nimba yaraje kumuhagarika aramubwiye nari mfite umukobwa w'inshuti yanjye uririmba nkawe ukuririmba niko yaririmbaga bagarutse muhira ya dore ibyo byari bikira dore Beyonce imirebere yarakaye ya kirimo mon cher ami Raj we
What the hell was the meaning of that?
bira byashatse gusobanura iki
In front of Bobby, my guards and I, begging us.
Bobby yarahari abarinzi banjye bose bareba tugutegereje usa nk'umusaba numero
You amuse me. You really amuse me.
umva
Yes, and that was the limit.
nabikoze
Huh? What do you take me for? You think I just...
none se wagira ngo unjyane urapfa kuntwara mimicyenyeje ahantu hose ushaka kunjyana wanjyaniraga yiki
That. I won't just stoop low for a club girl. I took interest in that girl because she reminds me of someone.
mu by'ukuri hari ikibazo cyaje kuvuka cy'umukobwa umwe nawe utayobewe kandi andi mutwe hanjye
What that girl meant to you, and then you.
ariko ntabwo hari gukora ndetse byo kumpagarika n'abantu bakandeba nk'uwabuze akazi
Just like the same way you almost got killed because of me.
batangiye gushwana uko ari babiri kuri cyo narebe umuhungu yararebye Beyonce yarakaye Beyonce arimo Beyonce ni mzuri Beyonce yuko na faranga Beyonce yuko na pesa Beyonce yuko na cash turacyakomeza umbabarire atangiye kwigarura umbabarire bana bibayo bana ngabariya umbaye imbabazi zoom up kirazuminga kimuzuming bose ngo babarire Raj
Are you saying that
cyo ashatse kuvuga
I still can't have you all to myself even after Ciara's death?
kuva Ciara yapfa ntago urashobora kunshira mu bitereko byawe by'umutima ntago ari uko mbyivuze ibyiza ni kwamama akanya ndagusezeranya nzaba uwawe nanjye uzaba uwanjye mwirinda sida ibyo muzabyirinda filime iracyakomeza agiye kuvizira agiye kurya amashu bagenzi mwinde sida hari namutikana rukingo Beyonce kabiri barakwereka Beyonce yateye hakuno wa mudokteri uyu mudokteri wavuye Ciara yamuhaye amafoto Aiya bas ragabas Beyonce yaje kuri wa mudokteri wavuye ariwe wa mukobwa Ciara urakoze yamushimye hari amafoto amuhaye Aiya bas
I would love to meet you again. Your performance back there.
barakwereka Ciara yatangiye kureba ifoto ari kumwe n'uri musore Raj agatangira kwibuka ya magambo yamubwiraga
Forget easily. The way you act, the way you sing.
magambo kayumva nikarira uyu niwe Ciara
Too much.
I'm sorry about that. Who's this girl you're talking about?
kumbe murumuna we yaraje Betty yasanze Ciara ari mu marira birababaje yaraje Betty yicarana na mukuru we araka bas barakwereka ibikankari wibuke Beyonce yateye dokteri wavuye Ciara amuha amafoto ya Ciara ibikebo byaraparitse ukamenya ko umwana wa perezida yaje ariwe Beyonce ajehe katirori imiryango baramufungurira aba bodyguard arabafite umutekano wa Beyonce rigosi rakabas ndani kwa ndani ari gipango binjiyemo abandi basigara hanze uyaracyari ibifoto akarira kumbe ruwaje bagenzi Beyonce yamumenyese ko ari we Ciara cyangwa katirori arareba nuyaramureba
I know you're the one.
ndabizi ko ari wowe
That same girl who never wants me to have peace in my love life.
umukobwa nkawe ushaka ushaka ubutamba amahoro mu buzima bwanjye.
Else you knock, and I decide whether I want you to enter or not.
Ntabwo ugomba kwinjira gutyo mu nzu, ugomba kwinjira uko manzi nkaguha uburenganzira. Turapfuye.
But nurse,
Umva,
you actually have a lot of guts. Talking back at me after all the money I've spent on you.
nagutakajeho amafaranga menshi cyane kugira ngo yuko baguha isura yawe iyo.
Of correction.
Ibyo so bimaze iki?
Marcy, Macy.
Ngende misi.
You're really getting to the limit. But I refuse to have your blood stained on my hands.
Nutava ku muntu ndetse nzakubarira.
Get out from my house.
Sohoka mu nzu yanjye. Muri nzu bodyguard umwihoreye.
You really do have guts. You really have so much guts. But you know what? I'll ignore that. All I want you to do is to stay the hell away from my Raj.
Ugomba kuva kuri Raj.
Okay?
Nutava kuri Raj,
You will not leave to tell your story.
amateka yawe azasibama. Ha. Agomba kuva kuri Raj. Kandi nta kintu agomba kumenyesha Raj. Kurikira agafilime. Barakwereka ibyacu n'ibitinda. Raj hari igipango yajemo. Kurikira unarebe.
Into the mountains, into the sea.
Rakabas yaje kureba Betty. Bite Betty. Kumbe yarebye wa mukobwa w'umuhanzi. Turapfuye ibi niku. Yeah.
Uncle Raj, meet my cousin Macy.
Uyu ni Missy ni mubyara wanjye.
Raj.
Uyu ni we Raj. Oh.
It's nice to meet you again.
Ni byiza gura nanone.
Yeah, the pleasure was mine.
Nibyo.
Nice to meet you again.
Ni byiza gura.
Isn't it? Yeah, but why are you crying?
Kubera cyurira.
My cousin was just telling me
Mubyara wanjye arabino nandiraga.
about what happened to Sierra.
Kubyerekanyeho na Sierra, kubyabaye kuri Sierra.
I think her story is very pathetic.
Ambye amateka ya Sierra ibyamubayeho. Nizo mpamvu ndimo ndarira.
She died for your love.
Yapfuye kubwawe kandi yaragukundaga.
Now I understand the reason for all the things she said to me at the club.
Niyo mpamvu ndetse ndi hano.
You knew my beloved cousin.
Ibyerekanye no mubyara wanjye. Kugupfa kwe.
Rest in perfect peace.
Amen.
Amen.
Debbie told me all you've done for her. Thanks for everything.
Sasa ari mushaka bana kubyira musore Raj.
But I would suggest that you stay away from this family.
Ndashaka uve kuri uyu muryango.
Evil. She has the heart of the devil.
Kuko uwo muryango ufite ndetse ibyo
But the way you talk,
uvuze
even the sound of your voice,
kuba uzamuye ijwi ryawe
reminds me so much of Sierra.
nakundaga neza cyane Sierra.
Your prayer too. Look,
yapfuye ku bwawe reba.
please,
Turagusaba
just stay away.
I can't.
umuryango wacu uwureke wenyine. Sinshobora.
I love Sierra,
Nakundaga Sierra.
okay? And I'll do anything to please her. And I vowed to myself that I'm going to take care of Debbie. And that
Ngomba kwita kuri Debbie. Kuva Sierra yapfa ngomba kumwitaho. Kumbe cyataze aruwe Viera.
Tuck Nancy.
Bimesa mensi.
Debbie, I'll be outside, okay?
Alright.
Debbie ngende hanze nonyene ruransanga hanze. Uyu yaramubwiye ndagusaba uve kuri uyu muryango. Yatangiye kurira niwe Sierra. Kurikira. Barakwereka ibyacu n'ibitinda hakuno. Raj hari abantu yasohokanye nabo. Ni bande katururi. Ibyo kunywa barabizana, kurya bararya, kunywa bakanywa. Yarazuminze akareba kuri Betty. Betty ngo ari mubyara we yaje. Ari we Miss. Ngo niwe Miss. Kumbe niwe Sierra, nguwo Sierra. Raj ntabyo azi.
Uncle Raj, what is it?
Uncle Raj, niki?
I'm fine.
Mesawa. Marira.
Just
Urazi.
feels so good to see you happy.
Iyo mbabonye turi kumwe hano mba mfite ibyishimo. Umva.
You are spoiling my day.
I know. I'm sorry.
Ndabizi mbabarire. amarira y'ababonye bari kumwe nabo bafite ibyishimo.
Does this make you feel better now? Can you cheer up?
Hari ikintu nifite ariko
Thank you.
bamuhaye akantu uzayihanagure. Hari ikintu afite kuba yababyira.
Do you want to talk about what's bothering you?
Wavuze ngo hari ikintu ushaka kuba tubyaho kitubyiye.
Yara.
Yego. Ni kuri Ziara. Yavuze izina Ziara.
I love Sierra so much.
Nakundaga Ziara neza cyane. Yo, yakanira niwe Ziara. Marira. Beta ari ku ruhande. Uriya niwe Miss.
The same again. Never ever.
Sinzi nimba nzongera guhura nawe. Nanjye uratuma ndira mana yanjye.
Cry.
Reka kurira.
She's just that. She saved my life.
Yanakoreye ubuzima bwanjye.
I could have died. She saved me.
Yapfuye nahari nanjye nagomba kurokora ubwe.
There was nobody there. She was the only one who saved me.
Ntabwo narindiyo kugupfa kwe iyo nza kuba narindiyo kuri cyo narebe ni umusore ni Raj.
She needed me.
Amarira
It's your fault.
ntabwo yari amafuti yawe ariko
Killer.
ntabwo yari amafuti yawe umva Miss ariwe Ziara ngo ntabwo yari amafuti ya Raj.
But she died because she chose to love me.
Yapfuye mu by'ukuri ankunda nanjye mukunda.
But right now,
Ubu buno
you're loving somebody.
byararangiye.
You're engaged to somebody else.
Ubu byararangiye mwikuremo.
Why don't you just move on and close Sierra's chapter?
Washaka undi wakunda kuko Ziara yarigendeye umva yewe.
Sierra is never gonna come back.
Ziara nawe uteze kugaruka.
She's gone.
Yaragiye yo kurikira unarebe ibyacu n'ibitinda barakwereka hakuno ngo Miss ni mubyara wa Ziara nyamara Raj icyo atazi neza kariwe Ziara barakwereka Kebo yaraje iraparika hakuno barakwereka Betty ariwe murumuna wa Ziara.
Where were you going?
I was going to buy something outside.
Okay, is Mercy in?
She's gone back to the north
The north?
Ari yehese mubyara wawe yagiye
this morning.
yagiye kuri iki gitondo
It's crazy. She didn't even tell me she was leaving.
yagiye
Give me her number.
basa nomero ke
Sorry, she made me promise not to give it to you.
umbabarire naramusezeranyije ko nta n'umuntu n'umwe nzahaka nomero ke.
That's what she said. I'm sorry.
umbabarire
When you talk to her, tell her I was here.
Oh, okay, I'll do that.
Thank
yaraje kumubaza ndetse Miss mubyara wuyu kumba arahari aramubwiye yagiye mu gitondo nateze kuzagaruka basi nomero ze yarambujije kuza buri muntu umbabarire. kurikira agafilimi dore Ziara agafilimi turimo turora ni Beyonce kabiri kuza yafashemo amayoberane nayo. Bagenzi mwirinde sida irahari mwirinde n'ibiyobyabwenge uko ari bibiri mubyirinde. Agafilimi karacyakomeza. Betty yaraje amaze kwirukana uriya musore ngo Miss yagiye muri yagiye.
Auntie, you still loved him. Why don't you tell him the truth?
Auntie aracyagukunda kuba aricyo utamubyiza ukuri ko ari wowe Ziara. Yo yatangiye kurira.
You're just making me upset.
Nanjye ndamukunda ariko ikibazo mfite ni cya Beyonce yarambwiye sinzagire mvuga ko ari njyewe Ziara. Mashaka kumubwira ariko nanjye sinjye nanjye nditinya kuri cyo narebe. Barakwereka ibyacu n'ibitinda dore Beyonce umwana wa perezida araryamye ahari yategereje Raj yatinze kuza Beyonce yaryamye mu ntebe. Filimi iracyakomeza. Guo ateye uko mukobwa araburia anawaka kwenye mwako wake, kwenye fresheri zake, kwenye nywele zake, kwenye macho yake, kwenye tai yake. Raj yaraje aje atya yasanze Beyonce yaryamye mu ntebe hakuno, yaryamye mu ntebe, agafilimi karacyakomeza. Bas ho Birayi Katiruri iratsanya nakomeza kuza yafashemo amayoberane nayo. Beyonce aryamye mu ntebe. Bas ahari umusore agira ngo amukore hakuno amutware mu cyumba ko yuzuye aramushoborara yebaba we arikanira ajyana mu cyumba kuri cyo runarebe. Aiya bas yagomba kumujyana mu cyumba. Birayi Katiruri sasa agashakoshi ka Beyonce kasigaye hakuno, telefoni yatanye gusona, gasigaye muri saro kandi Beyonce araryamye n'indi mu telefoni. Katiruri yafunguye imashini, kumbe bagenzi hano harimo ifoto ya Ziara.
Hello, Lily.
Yewe mugore.
Yeah, Beyonce is asleep.
Beyonce araryamye.
In say 2 or 3 hours.
Ushobora kumutelefona amasaha 3 ari imbere. Agize ati yasanze ifoto yandi ya Ziara, turapfuye. Kandi aya mafoto ya Ziara Beyonce arafite, turapfuye ibiniku. Baramubyiye ngo Ziara yarapfuye. Katiruri ya arareba turapfuye kubera iki Beyonce afite amafoto ya Ziara. Akabona kwa kundi yamurebye ibintu bamushize mu maso he, akareba kwa muganga, turapfuye ibiniku. Kandi hakuno ari kwa muganga bamuvura isura ye, kandi baramye ngo yarapfuye. Ariko se reka mubaze, ariko ariyumvira rwose. Bagenzi umusore ashobora kuba yamenye ukuri ko Beyonce Ziara akiri muzima. Amafoto yayasubije kwa kundi ye yasanze, maze ishakoshi arayifunga. Aiya basi hari icyamenye kuri we. Agafilimi karacyakomeza, arasohoka. Hari icyamenye, ni iki cyamenye bagenzi? Agafilimi karacyakomeza. Ho kandi baramubyiye ngo uriya yitwa Miss, yaje kumureba. Betty aramubyiye ngo yafashe urugendo yagiye, imanomero zengerekaga yamujije gutanga nomero. Uyu yari icyamenye. Barakwereka sasa Betty yaje kuba yahaha. Abona imodoka ya Raji Munyuzo kandi igiye iwabo, yakuye ka telefoni. Aho aramenyeshe Betty. Aya basi aho aramenyeshe Betty ko umusore yaje Raji kuri kintu narebe. Sinzi uyara telefoni yanze kunyura amasinzi iyaciyemo. Umusore yinjiye igipango, yararebye kumba ari injuru uyu ataravugana na mwene wabo. Ni Raji yamuhagaze imbere, katwumve nawe arahaguruka. Bararebana amaso ku yandi, zoom up kuri telefoni z'amaso.
Ziara?
Niwe Ziara?
Is that you?
Ni wowe? Yamfasheho maso he.
I can't believe this.
Sinshobora kwizera ibi.
You guys lied to me.
Warambeshe wowe?
You are alive.
Warambeshe. Yarambeshe. Amaze kuba yabimenya ko ari we Ziara. Ziara nawe namarira, n'umusore namarira. Kurikira iyo birabaje.
You alive?
Warambeshe. Yarambeshe. Sinzi kuri cyo narebe. Agafilimi na Nigeria Beyonce kabiri kuva muri Muhanga. Yaraje maze barasubiranye bucyashya. Basubirana bucyashya kuri cyo narebe. Amaze kumenya ko ari we Ziara. Ziara nago yapfuye, aracyari muzima. Barakwereka ibyacu n'imitinda hakuno.
Beyonce is you.
Bite Beyonce, ngwino.
Were you expecting someone else?
Hari undi wateganya kuza muri inzu indesi.
Why are you looking all guilty?
Ndareba urareba nk'umuntu unyuranyije n'amategeko ku maso yawe.
Are you cheating on me, Raj?
Cyangwa urimo uranyibara Raj.
Is there a particular look for someone who is cheating?
Urareba ndetse nsa nk'umuntu ushaka kwiba.
Me for a week now. You don't even call.
Ntabwo telefone kubera icyo utakwitabaga telefone.
Beyonce,
Beyonce.
I appreciate everything you do for me.
Ndagushimira ibyo unkorera byose.
It's just that
Ariko
I need to get out there and do something. You know, get some business going. And that's what I've been doing. You know, I really appreciate what you do for me, but I need to be a man. And on my own.
Ndagushimira ibyo unkorera byose. Ariko nanjye ndagira ngo nanjye mbe umugabo nikorere ibyanjye.
I'm parked outside.
Aragira ngo nawe umugabo nawe yiteho kubwe. Ntabwo ashaka umukobwa mwiteho.
But why?
It goes back to this business I was telling you about.
Ndabizi neza business ukora nizo nyinshi z'ababyeyi bawe zose urazikora. Ariko mu by'ukuri ndagusaba nanjye ureke niyiteho nk'umugabo.
But if you needed money, you could have just asked me.
It's not about money, Beyonce.
Ikibazo Beyonce ntabwo ari amafaranga kuri njyewe.
And what I want to achieve. Come on. Once it works.
Nanjye ndagusaba ndagira ngo yuko mbe nk'umugabo wigenga ndi umugabo kabisa. Umugabo wigenga.
You're really not making sense.
Sinzi.
You're looking very nervous, feeling all guilty.
Uko ugaragara mu by'ukuri njye sinzi mana yanjye kandi ntabwo mashaka ndetse ubabari agafilime karacyakomeza. Ha. Ngabo. Yaramwegereye Beyonce.
Raj, I love you.
Raj ndagukunda.
I love you so very much.
Ndagukunda neza cyane.
The very first day I met you,
Umunsi wa mbere.
I just knew you had to be the one.
Umunsi wa mbere nkubona nataga mu rugo kimwe cyose ngutekereza.
Even when I went home, everything I did, you were...
Ahantu hose nari mu rugo nahoraga ngutekereza umunsi nakubonye ubwa mbere.
Raj,
I
do the things I do, but
nakoze igishoboka cyose kuri wowe.
the reason to why I'm happy.
Mba nshaka wari ibyishimo.
Joy, you just make...
Waranira ibyishimo nanjye murana n'ibindi.
And I never want to lose you.
Ntabwo ngira ngo nguhombe.
Because the day I will lose you will be the day I will lose my life.
Uramutse upfuye nanjye naba mpombye ubuzima bwanjye.
I really do.
Mu by'ukuri ndagukunda nanjye nuko kuri Beyonce yagiye umusore maze suguhoberana ye. Suguhoberane ndagukunda.
I love you.
Nanjye ndagukunda. Filime iracyakomeza. Barakwereka abarinzi hakuno. Urababona? Urababona? Wibuke Beyonce yaguriye Raj inzu. Turabona iyi nzu niyo baguriye Raj. Abarinzi ba Beyonce bari ku nyubako ya Raj. Beyonce na Raj bari hehe? Katirori. Bas. Barakwereka Beyonce yaratambutse dore umurinzi wo kunamureba. Beyonce hari yabuze Raj. Ha. Dore umukobwa hakurya hakuno. Raj yabuze ku nzu bamuguriye. Umukobwa mujinyani wa yose Raj azawapi? Mwe mugiye. Yirukanye uyu murinzi amuva imbere Rakabas. Umukobwa bajya sinzi yafashe ka telefoni katwumve. Ho
Pius, I want that girl dead.
Ndashaka umukobwa apfe.
Okay? I want to see her blood on your hands.
Ndashaka kureba amaraso ye ku maboko yanyu. Uwo mukobwa nagira ngo mumwice Ziara. Mama we, Ziara pfe. Arashaka kureba ku maboko y'abarinzi be. Huzuye amaraso ya Ziara. Rakabas, order ni order. Ziara pfe. Barakoreka ibyacu nibitinda. Umusore yaje kureba Ziara. Turapfuye.
Worry. I have it all under control. I've checked everything. I mean,
buri kimwe cyose kimeze neza.
You should have called first. You know that Beyonce has spies all around.
Ntabwo ugomba kuza hakuno Beyonce naramuka abimenye ndetse ni ikibazo.
Listen,
Umva.
I have some good news.
Inkuru nziza. Ni inkuru nziza muzani. Njira.
The visas are out. We are going to Canada.
visa zasohotse tugiye kujya muri Canada yo dore ibyishimo agiye kujyana nawe muri Canada visa zasohotse dore ibyishimo wibuke Beyonce yatanze itegeko Ziara yicwi Betty yaraje
Our visas are out.
visa zasohotse tugiye kujya muri Canada tugiye kujya muri Canada ye baba we
Oh God, oh God, it makes me so happy. I'm so happy.
mfite ibyishimo yo
And you know what? We leave 2 days. 2 days.
dusigaje iminsi ibiri kugira ngo tuzajye muri Canada iminsi ibiri niyo basigaje
Are your parents aware of this new development?
No, I haven't told them yet. But what we'll do is, the minute I get there, we'll place the phone call that we are in Canada, and that should solve it.
ikintu tugomba gukora tugomba gushopinga kugira ngo yuko tuzajye muri Canada ni iminsi ibiri dusigaje inaha muri Lagos
Now!
nonaha bagiye gushopinga nonaha dore ibyishimo
You know, Sierra,
Ziara
I love you so much,
ndakunda neza cyane
and I can't believe we are finally gonna be together.
mba nshaka ubuzima bwanjye bwose tuzabumarane yo nagasomyo mubyirinde sidirari dore ibyishimo
Okay.
sawa
Yes, what?
umva buno
No way to play your guessing games. I know you and your guess.
urabizi hari imikino usanzwe dukinana
No, just tell me what.
mbwira niki
Okay.
sawa
My flow stopped.
What does that mean?
ushatse gusobanukirwa
Silly.
uragira ngo ntabwo nwite
You pregnant?
uratwite yego nyine bagenzi kiramwitiye Ziara twitiye umusore aragabas dore ibyishimo
I love you.
ndakunda nanjye ndakunda dore ibyishimo wibuke Beyonce yatanze itegeko Ziara yicwe kuri cyo narebe biraheraye katururi barakoreka Raj ngo iminsi yakomeje kugenda yicuma yakuye ka telefone ayikurayo bana hari iminsi yegereje bagomba kugenda ari kumwe na murumuna we Betty ka telefone kanyuzemo
Hello?
Sierra,
Ziara
is ready.
mwitunganyije
Darling. Yes.
yego
On our way.
turi mu nzira
I left the house ages back.
nanjye navuye mu rugo
The junction, your junction, yes, and I'll pick you guys from there.
turiye kuri Johnson
The first or the second one? Okay.
niho nza kuba nabatora
Wait.
sawa turagutegerezeyo
Hurry up now, hurry up.
mugire vuba vuba hari agace babyemo aza kuba yabatoreramo ndetse baherekeza ku kibuga cy'indege
Are you crazy? Can't you hear me shouting?
ariko uri umusazira dore ibyishimo bagiye kujya ndetse muri Canada
Yes, darling. Okay, I love you too. Okay.
ndakunda cyane ndakunda
Yeah, it's okay. Let's go. Let's go.
bimesa tujye tugende bagiye ndetse hari ahantu bavuganye ndetse Raj aza kubatora dore ko basohotse itegeko ryatanzwe barapfa umugabo barapfiki barapfuyu uyu yara telefone zabo nizinyuramo aho bavuganye guhurira ni waha yabategereje amasaha akomeza kugenda yicuma abagizi ba neza baraje babakore hakuno uyu yarategereje yabye taxi vatire hagarare telefone nizicamo
Sierra, we're running out of time. Where are you?
Ziara uriye
Who's this?
uyu ninde mama we ahari hari ufashe telefone ya Ziara barakwereka Beyonce yambara ibicece kandi akaberwa ka telefone
Hello?
Good.
ni byiza
I hope there's no trace. Okay.
sawa ahari baramutelefone Beyonce barakwereka ibyacu n'ibitinda hari bamumenyesheje yuko umukobwa ari kwa muganga nawe barakwereka kwa muganga hano bite
Macy.
ameze ate
Macy,
Messi
how is she doing?
ameze ate
The doctor says she'll be alright.
Dr. yavuze ngo araza kumererwa neza uyu niwe yamuzanye hakorera kwa muganga
Macy,
Messi
where's Debbie?
Deberi
She died
yapfuye
on the spot.
yahise apfa ako kanya turapfuye ni ikibazo murumuna wa Ziara we yapfuye ako kanya
Well, I need to take my leave now.
ngomba kugenda uyu niwe muzanye kwa muganga amukubise inkuru mbi Betty we yapfiriye yapfuye ako kanya kurikira unarebe barakwereka Beyonce yaraje aje kwandika n'umurenzi we do kwa doctor.
Hi, doctor.
Hello, doctor.
You're welcome.
Murakaza.
My name is Beyonce.
Amazina yanjye ni Beyonce.
I'm the president's daughter.
Ndi umukobwa wa president.
You make yourself comfortable.
Ndakuzi. Kandi hano ni nk'iwawe. Ndi umukobwa wa president aramwibyiye. Yaje kureba Dr. Ayabas.
May I be of any help to you?
Ngufashe ki?
Yes.
Yego.
I believe you have a patient here. Her name is Ziara.
Ufite umurwayi witwa Ziara.
Oh, yes.
Yego. Ari hano.
I want her injected to death.
Ndashaka umukubite inshinge yo kumwica. Yego.
Hey, madam, I can't do that.
Madam sinabikora.
It's against the ethics of my profession.
Naba niyangiriza akazi kanje.
Hey.
Umbabarire. Heu. Masha, ima. Bas.
This is $20,000.
Ni ibihumbi 25 by'amadolari. Heu. Mama we.
I'm sorry, madam.
Mbabare madam.
It's a human. I can't do it.
Uriya ni umugore
You
sinabikora.
can do it.
Ugomba kubikora.
You'll do it.
Bikore.
You see, doctor,
Urabizi
you're
doctor.
now a part of this secret.
Ubu amaze kuba bamenye ibanga ryacu. Urapfuye.
But why don't you do it yourselves?
Kubera iki mutabikora ku bwanyu?
For your injections. Because other methods will be subjected for question.
Tubikoze bakora iperereza ariko umukubise igishinge ntabwo bakora iperereza bamenye ngo wamwishe. Nonaha
Now,
turabishaka nonaho bikore.
You have such lethal drug around.
Nta muti mfite wo kumwicisha.
doctor,
Doctor,
play smart with me.
reka kunyinisha. Ntabwo naje gukina nawe. Fata urushinge ndetse umutera urushinge rwo kumwica. Mama we, umudokteri bamuhaye ibihumbi 25 by'amadolari. Turapfuye ibiniku baramuhatiriza kandi. Baramuhatiriza. Urabikora cyangwa yararebye abagenzi? Beyonce ni umukobwa president. Bodega ciao. Sasa Tanazi wabo baramuhatirije. Dr. na Tanazi. Tana ciao. Bas. Baba. Agomba kumutera urushinge rwica. Bas. Kuri cyo narebe. Aya bas. Tizama sinema kuzame kamatamo. Amayobera ni nayo. Kuzafashema amayobera ni nayo. Bas barakwereka Beyonce yaje mu cyumba umukobwa icyo arwariyemo. Ari we Ziara. Aramureba yambara ibikeke akaberwa. Ni mwiza. Hello. Filimi iracyakomeza. Dore ijisho mirabera arahindura. Yarebye agakobwa kamurusha iki aho kugira ngo rajye agakonde. Kumbe Atanazi baramuherekeje. Ntabwo ari ukubabeshya ngo yayimuteye kandi atayimuteye. Gira. Baba. Agire. Atanazi kandi arahatirijwe kandi bamukubise ibihumbi 25. Afayo uramubona. Umugabo avuye kwicisha Ziara kubera umusore ari we Raj. Dore mama ayo kinashima made kihagaze dede wa do. Nacyo kirimo. Agashakoshi karaguye. Abarinzi barahari. Kuri kirunarebe. Rakabas. Ngo ni Beyonce. Umukobwa wa president. Ngo. Barinzi barinjira ndani kwa ndani. Ngabo ndani kwa ndani barinjira ararinzwe umutekano ni gose. Mbishiraho kandi baba kandi mwikwega mugenda. Bikwega bagenda agafilimi karacyakomeza. Go. Yahagaze mu nzu we wenyine umwe rukumbi. Rakabas yaje ndetse ku kinyobwa anywe agafilimi karacyakomeze. filimi yiswe Beyonce kabiri kuva muri Muhanga. Aranywa icyo kunywa rwose, arakinywa aracyohereza. Filimi iracyakomeza, barakwereka uyu ahari yabimenye ko Ziyara yapfiriye kwa muganga ari we Raj. Katurore iyo ndirimbo ninagira ni ibagereho, kandi bagenzi twirinde sida, namutikana rukingo sida irahari muyirinde. Ni ikibazo yatangiye kurira.
Everlasting, always there, a voice in the wilderness is crying out. Can you hear the eyes to the sea? What you see is not what you get, is not what you...
Rakabas anaho yafunguje ni kwande, ni mu bitaro se cyangwa Katurore yarinje ndani kwa ndani.
It's more than I can take.
Baramufunguriye agace ni mu bisubizo, ari yaje kwa Beyonce.
A ray of hope
Agafilimi koko karacyakomeza,
and make me happy again.
ntabwo azongera kwishima nanone. Ni indirimbo
Fade away into the mountains, into the sea. The rain
araherekejwe n'umusore ni Raj.
I wish you could see.
Aje kwande kuri kirunarebe, haraho yafunguye, yaje kwa Beyonce ku mukobwa wa perezida. Guwo ni mbisubizo,
We'll not
ni mu nyubako rwose. Agafilimi karacyakomeza. Birarirayi Katurore kuzo ndahari,
dream.
buri umwe atangira kuzuminga uwundi. Baba abarinzi baba bagire gucyara karaga urutoki ukamenya ko ari ukugenda.
Oh, drops of love.
Uyu nawe yarahagaze, buri umwe arareba mugenzi we. Raj arareba Beyonce, Beyonce nawe akareba Raj. Kurikira. Nyamara Ziyara yashoboye kuba yatabara ubuzima bwa Raj, ntiyaramuzi amutabarira ubuzima. Yo dore ngenza nkwikiraho n'umuntu gusa nakubona wese nzamwica. babayo ugasanga abakobwa ari babiri rwose bakunze umuhungu umwe, umwe agomba kumujyana uwundi akava ku bintu. Bibayo rwose. Guwo ni Beyonce arashaka Raj, yishe umuntu kubera Raj. Agafilimi karacyakomeza.
Oh, now uplifted my soul, rescue me from the pains and sorrow. Save me, it's more than I can take. Sunshine.
Guwo iracyakomeza. Baramufungurira, yasohotse kwa Beyonce, anasoka kwa Beyonce, amesha kujua Ziyara ya ameisha jifia, amesha kufa zamani wa makani, amesha jifia. Sasa fuatilia sinema yaje na imodoka yamuza ni taxi Vatel.
And make me happy again.
Nazongera kwishima nanone n'indirimbo. Ibyacu n'ibitinda barakoreka hakuno. Umusore harawaje ari we Raj, aje Katurore, yaje kwa muganga, ahapiriye Ziyara yaraje. yagomba gupfunukura hakuno umuntu ari uyapfunukuye ni Ziyara bamutiye urushinge amarira ni yose umusore yarakunze Ziyara iwabo umusore Raj badashaka Ziyara bashaka Beyonce yatangaga amafaranga iwabo y'umusore akambika umusore agatanga amafaranga Birayi Katururi Rockabaz amarira uwo yakundaga yavuye ku bintu bagenzi mwirinde sida irahari mwirinde niba bibwenye ukora ibi mu byirinde Birayi barakoreka ku nyubako ya Beyonce haracyanye harasukuye harabaje nyina wa Raj na mushiki wa Raj baje kwa Beyonce abarinzi barabafungurira kuri cyune ribi baje kwenda iki hakuno reka turore turabapodegadi turabari nyina umusore arareba sugeze mu nkoko kuzivamo ntago bizoroha agapfimbi karacyakomeza murakaza mwisanga ahari bavuye kubyutsa umwana wa perezida ariwe Beyonce mama Raj yaraje dore intebe nebe nk'izo ni kwasingiza agafilime karacyakomeza ni heza mama Rockabaz dore ukuntu aratambuka nawe ukibwiriza ko umuntu atambutse ariko nguwo Beyonce.
Hello Beyonce.
Hello Beyonce.
It's good to see you again.
Ni byiza none gura urakoze.
Sorry to bother you at this time.
Hari haciye igihe
I actually came to apologize on behalf of my son.
Injano ndetse kubyira kanyo n'umwana wanjye.
You know he wasn't really in his good state of mind.
Urabizi ndetse ibitekerezo bye byaragiye.
To him.
Ariko ndetse twavuganye ibitekerezo bye byose yabigaruye. Ndabyumva.
Really okay.
Mesawa.
You're welcome.
Murakaza.
Can I get you both a drink?
Mbaye cyo kunywa.
Okay.
Yego kiduhe. Ngo Mungu byose yabyemeye amakosa ye yose yamukoreye amubabarire. Ya mushiki wa Raj. Turi mu gasosi. Mama turi mu gasosi rega. Agafilme karacyakomeza. Barakwereka ibyacu n'imitinda cyari igihe cya mariage. Mariage yarakojwe. Raj arongoye Beyonce. Mariage yagikira nk'ukuyizi. Ababodyguard bararinzi. Dore umugeni uduseko ku matamane twa yose. Agafilme karacyakomeza. Raj yarongoye Beyonce umukobwa wa perezida arashingiwe. Turabarinzi bagenzi nago bashaka babikweto kuri iyi mariage. Urabizi babikweto barihuruza. Ubu iyi mariage ni VIP. Amakaruvati amakositimu wiggings hari nibagukeneye kandi bakeneye ndetse invitation. Udafite invitation nago wakwihuruza. Urabizi kuri mariage barihuruza. Abatumirwa barahari abo bose ubona bafite invitation kandi abo bose ubona n'abantu bo mu ngagari gusa kuko umwana wa president nago kumbe barakwereka abagenzi Ziyara ari ku ruhande mariage irimo arajya imbere ahari Dr. Rushinge yamuteye nago ari rwanyago barakwereka imodoka taxi vatiri hari taxi vatiri miraza mariage irimo arajya imbere hakurya barashisasu ifashe nde byafashe Beyonce abantu ba umwana president arishwa bakabyara mwe taxi vatiri yaragiye barakwereka Beyonce nawe yinjiye imodoka Ziyara sora yinjiye imodoka taxi vatiri yindi abamurashe n'abandi umukobwa Ziyara yinjiye imodoka agenda agafilime nako nukagenze kavaga muri Jamaica Video Library wari kumwe na Yakuza gusa uko mugiye sidira hari